Are you looking for a modern and premium single-attached house and lot that is less than 1 hour from Makati? If your answer is yes, don't skip this video because today we will be featuring the newest addition to Anyana's luxury homes, the Sydney model. For only 5.2 million pesos, you could be a proud owner of this beautiful house and lot through Pag-ibig financing. So what are we waiting for? Tara, tripping tayo. Good morning mga kabahay! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Leslie Lazarte. I am a licensed real estate broker based in Cavite, and today, join me for another house tour video of this beautiful Sydney model here in Anyana. But if you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you won't miss any of my house tour videos. Now, before we enter this beautiful house, let's talk about first the 3 reasons why I would recommend you this beautiful Sydney model here in Anyana. First reason, strategic location. Anyana in Tanza, Cavite offers a prime location that provides easy access to Metro Manila via major highways such as the Cavitex and the CALAX or the Cavite-Laguna Expressway. This ensures convenience of daily commuting, proximity to business districts, schools, shopping centers, and other essential services, enhancing your overall quality of life. Second, modern amenities and facilities. The Sydney model in Anyana, Tanza are part of a well-planned community that boasts of a range of modern amenities such as swimming pools, clubhouse, parks, playgrounds, and sports facilities. Additionally, the development includes security features and lifestyle district and landscape areas offering a comfortable and secure living environment. And third, but definitely not the least, affordable luxury. Sydney model in Anyana, Tanza is designed to provide a luxurious living experience at an affordable price. The Sydney model features contemporary designs, high-quality finishes, and spacious layouts that cater to modern lifestyle. And not only that, very affordable din siya dahil pwede mong gamitin ang Pag-ibig financing. So if you are a member of Pag-ibig, pwede kang kumuha ng Sydney model here in Anyana. Welcome to Sydney model here in Anyana. The exact location of Anyana is in Barangay Sanja Mayor here in Tanza, Cavite. We are only less than 1 hour away from Makati and Metro Manila via the Cavite-Laguna Expressway. Now for the lot area, we have a minimum lot area of 80 square meters and our floor area is 76.09 square meters. Now let's talk about first the lot area. The lot area of 80 square meters has a lot frontage of 10 meters. Ang property line mo sa harap ay magsisimula mula dito. So you have a firewall because this is a single attached or a single firewall house, and from this side up to this area. Okay, so this is your property line and this is your 10 meters frontage. Now for the lot depth or yung lalim ng lote, we have a lot depth of 8 meters. So that starts from the front up to the back. So this beautiful complete finish fully painted house has 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and a provision for 2 carport. Diba? Napakaganda. And not only that, before you enter the house, you have this beautiful space as your lanai, or you can convert into a pocket garden. Now for the roofing, our roofing is painted long span roofing, and it has a downspout and gutter at the back. Welcome to the Sydney Model Actual Turnover. Now here in the model house, we have 2 colors. For Sydney, we have this mustard yellow and we have this neutral gray. So, dalawa yung available colors natin for Sydney. So, bawat lote pre-assigned na yung color niya. Okay, so for the lot area, again, we have a minimum of 80 square meters and the floor area of 76.09 square meters. So, once we enter, this is your frontage, no? You have this pocket garden. Ang turnover natin dito is just leveled soil. Hindi po kasama yung mga cemented pathways. It's just leveled soil. And here, this is the location of your 2 carport. I will be posting the measurement of each part of the house on this video, so just check it out. So itong carport mo, cementado na siya. This is the actual turnover. Cemented na yan. Kung gusto mo palagyan ng tiles, it's up to you. But on this portion, yan, level soil lang yan. So pwede mo itong palagyan ng garden or mga plants, diba? Mga flowers, it's up to you. And this leads to your laundry and service area at the back. So yung sukat nito is 2 meters from the wall up to your property line. And ipakita ko na rin yung itaas. Yan yung gutter natin and downspout, and you have 2 windows over here. So those asking kung pwede ba itong palagyan ng balcony, pwede after turnover, subject for approval of course. And for the back, pwede mo itong palagyan ng canopy. So pwede palagyan ng roofing para covered yung laundry and service area mo sa likod. Level soil din po yan, okay? So, once we enter the house, the beautiful house is complete finish, available through Pag-ibig Financing. Very, very affordable, guys, for a single attached house and lot. This Sydney model is our newest model. Bestseller namin to ngayon sa Anyana. Now, before you enter, you have this front porch. Cemented yung ating front porch. Wala siyang tiles, pero smooth cement siya. Okay, yan yung ating front porch. Then once you enter, your main door is made of metal or steel door. Ayan. So, bakal yung ating main door. And wow, look at that. Very spacious. Hindi siya masikip. Saktong-sakto lang for a small and starting family itong Sydney model. And, yan, napakaganda. Kasi yung mga bintana malalaki. Okay, for our windows are, yan, powder-coated aluminum windows tayo. Ayan. Meron tayong sliding and we have owning type. And for our walls, painted white finish. So, fully painted na yung bahay. Complete finish tayo, guys. Whatever color you want to paint, ready na yan after turnover. For the flooring, we have 60 by 60 ceramic tiles in off-white. Yeah, very elegant and modern. And this will be your living area. That's where I came from. That's the main door. So, yung mga outlets natin, by the way, kasama na po yan. So, meron tayong provision for aircon sa living area. And nagustuhan ko yung mga outlet. Hindi siya tinipid. Ang dami niyang outlet, guys. And mataas yung ating ceiling. So, ito yung measurement niya. I will post that later. And on the other side, this is your dining and your kitchen area. Okay, let's check first the kitchen. For the kitchen area, very beautiful granite finish countertop. Yan, full slab yan, guys. Granite finish yan na countertop. Very elegant. This is what we call affordable luxury in terms of real estate. Why? For a very affordable pricing of 5.2 million, you get this very premium finish. Granite yung countertop mo. You have stainless sink. And you have this stainless gooseneck faucet. Okay, ang ganda rin nung bintana sa may kitchen area that overlooks your laundry. Ngayon yung ilalim, it's open cabinet so that you have the freedom to design how you want your kitchen to look like. Okay, pakita ko ulit yung buong itsura ng ground floor. Ayan, malawak siya guys, hindi siya sobrang kipot. Yun, nakatamtaman lang talaga siya, 76 square meter. It's perfect for a 3-2 starting family. Yung mga bata pa lang yung anak nila, bagong kasal, perfect sa inyo itong bahay na to. If you want to start a family here in Anyana, luxury premium community. Okay, moving forward, this is your toilet and bath on the ground floor. So fully finished tayo. Our flooring is 30 by 30 ceramic tiles. So for the dry area, may tiles tayo. And for the wet area, hanggang walls, yung ating tiles. Now for the fixtures, complete din tayo. We have this half-fillet. O, diba, bongga? HCG at half-fillet, guys, yung mga brand ng ating mga fixtures. So that's one of the luxury premium finish also of Sydney model. And we have floor drain over here. HCG, yung ating toilet bowl and water closet. And also our sink, our lavatory is HCG, even the fixtures. Very nice. Ang ganda. Okay, even the tissue holder, meron tayo, and the soap dish. Okay, and meron din tayong floor drain dito. So maganda, very nice, perfect. Okay, sa likod naman, pinakita ko na yung likod, this door, ano din to, metal steel door, yung ating service door, going to your laundry area. Yan, so yan, maluwag siya. Actually nga, if you want a room at the ground floor, meron kayong mga elderly, sa likuran, pwede pa actually gawa ng isang pang kwarto, no? It's up to you kung paano mo siya ite-design. Now, for the stairs, our stairs is made of, yan, metal stairs, and we have wood planks for the steps. Yan, very sturdy at hindi na siya sobrang kipot. Sakto lang, I believe it's 0.8 meters siya yung sukat niya. And for the hand railings, it's painted metal. Very sturdy. Okay, let's go up on the second floor. Ayan, complete finish din tayo on the second floor. Now for the second floor, as I arrive on the second floor, sakto lang din yung mini hallway, and you have this common toilet and bath, bedroom number 1, master's bedroom, bedroom number 2. Okay, check first the bedroom number 1. Okay, so ito yung ating bedroom number 1. Our flooring, by the way, is vinyl planks, very premium. Hindi siya yung mumurahin na vinyl planks, guys. Maganda siya na klase. And we have 2 outlets for each room. We have provision for aircon at malalaki yung bintana. Since the house is modern design, expect mo talaga na malalaki yung bintana. And our door is panel door. And mataas din yung ating floor to ceiling na height. Can you see that? Yeah. So later I will show you yung ating dressed up so that you would see how the furnitures would fit on these rooms on the second floor. Wow, ang ganda ng bintana, no? It's like floor to ceiling. Pagdalagyan to ng mga curtains, ang ganda ng pagkaka-layout. Then you have this outlet, painted wall finish. Then you have your aircon provision. Then you have these big windows, parang panoramic window siya. And that's your bedroom number 2. If you have kids, perfect sa kanila yung 1 and 2 bedrooms. And this is your master's. Wow, yan. This is the size of your master's bedroom. So I will be posting that on this video. And same turnover tayo. May outlets din tayo. Then we have this aircon provision. Then we have this huge window on the front and another window on the side. So let's go ahead and check out the toilet and bath. Yan, same finish din siya sa ground floor. Half-fillet yung shower natin, HCG yung mga fixtures. Then malapad siya, hindi siya masikip. See yung distance nila, malapad. Okay, may sukat naman siya. And that's it. Meron din siyang exhaust. So, let's go and check out the dressed up model. By the way guys, for the stairs, ayan, meron tayo ditong parang high ceiling na stairs. So, kung meron ka mga chandelier, pwede mo siyang ilagay dito para meron siyang design or effect sa stairs. Maganda siya tingnan. Welcome to Sydney dressed up model. Yan. So this Sydney naman has the furnitures, has all the interior design going on. Okay, let's go ahead and check out the dressed up model. Wow, look at that. So pretty and nice, diba? Very simple lang siya, and yet ang ganda ng effect niya, no? Mukha siyang maliit nung nasa actual turnover, but look at the couch, guys. Maluwag siya na couch, 'di ba? Nagkasya siya. You can even put an L-type na couch, walang problema. And look at the ceiling, the lighting, perfect talaga. Yan. And this is your dining area for a small family. Like I said, 4-seater dining set can perfectly fit. And yung kitchen, ginawa niyang L-type. Yan, ang galing nung nakaisip nito. Actually, sa likod, kung kunyari, gusto mo siyang tanggalin to and you want to, you know, extend up to the back, you can submit a plan para lumaki yung kitchen mo and submit mo yung plano for engineering for approval. Kasi kung hindi naman siya masyadong visible, baka ma-approve. Possible ma-approve. Now, for the turnover of Sydney, magsa-start sila ng construction once you finish your down payment. Okay? So, once you finish your down payment, construction timeline is about 10 to 12 months. So, once you finish your down payment, 1 year ang turnover ng house. Doon pa lang sisimulan yung construction ng bahay. Okay? So, this is your bathroom on the ground floor with all the finishings. Very nice. Very luxurious feel. Super nice talaga siya. Especially kapag yung tiles sinagad mo from floor to ceiling. Ang laki ng effect niya. And this is what the designer wants you to notice, no? Yung hagdanan natin na steel hand railings, pwede mo siyang palitan ng tempered glass for a more modern look, diba? Modern feel. Look at your stairs. Mukha siyang walang hawakan, pero it's actually a glass. So, punta ako sa kabilang side para makita nyo. Ayan. So, nandito ako. So, that's the main door, and this is your dining, your kitchen, and your living area. So, it's perfect for a small family, really. If you are a big family and looking for a bigger option, we have Tokyo and New York. So, let me know. So, para matulungan ko kayo, mahanap natin yung perfect house for you. Okay, so once you go on the second floor, ayan, so totally talaga pinalitan niya na ng glass yung ating hand railings, no? Hindi na siya bakal. Stainless na siya sa hawakan, pero glass na yung panaka-structure niya. And wow! Ang ganda ng second floor. Toilet and bath muna. Ayan. Diba? So nice. And this is bedroom number 1. Diba? Ang cute. Kung meron kang little girl, bagay sa kanya to. It's a loft type. Ginawa nilang loft. Kasi nga, high ceiling tayo. Medyo mataas yung ceiling. So, you can make it a loft bed. And meron siyang study area sa baba. Yung mga damit niya. Ito yung kanyang hagdanan going to her bedroom. And meron pa rin siyang, diba, cabinet. Nagkasya lahat yon. Ang galing. So next is bedroom number 2. Ito naman pag medyo may dalaga ka na. Ayan. So, yung salamin talaga nagpapadagdag siya ng elegance, no? And this is single bed lang to, and meron pa rin siyang built-in cabinet. And this is what I'm telling you, diba? Yung malaking bintana, ang ganda tingnan, especially if you put your curtains from floor to ceiling. Ang ganda. And finally, we have the master's bedroom. Wow. Diba? Ang ganda. For only 28,000 monthly or 29,000 monthly for 30 years to pick up pag-ibig. Very affordable. Diba? Single attached house. Huwag kang bumili ng condo. If you can afford this 5.2 million na house and lot, buy this instead of a condo. Kasi may 2 parking ka na, may 3 bedrooms ka pa. Sulit na sulit to, guys. Diba? And yan. Ang ganda ng, diba, pintana niya, and the curtains, the draperies, and you still have this cabinet over here and this life-size na mirror. Thank you so much for watching my house tour for Sydney Model here in Anyana. If you are interested and if you want to view this property, you may contact me through my contact details on this video, or you may send your inquiry through our contact form on the description box below. Once again, this is Leslie Lazarte, your friendly real estate broker, and I will see you on my next house tour video. Bye!